Have you dropped your bike today?
No.
Has anybody dropped their bike today? No one came racing over to help me.
I raced over.
Well, a couple of guys did. Enough with the happy birthday song, Rochelle. Am I too much of a curmudgeon?
Yeah.
Listen.
True story.
If you've got any weight issues or any physical issues, do not blame them on me.
Oh, so now I'm fat.
I didn't say that! Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, I didn't say that.
You
Have you dropped your bike today?
No.
Has anybody dropped their bike today?
No comment.
Rochelle,
Yes.
tell the folks why we come to the Caledonian Hotel in Singleton, in New South Wales, Hunter Valley, for a nice pub feed, but we have Asian curries.
They make the best Chinese food.
Don't they what? What do you got there?
Chicken, satay, vegetables.
Vegetables? Is that shit? Show of hands. Who sings the happy birthday song in the first place?
Yeah, for God's sake.
Trite, historical thing that is. There's a 1-year-old child's birthday going on in the beer garden here at the pub. Bring the microphone closer to my mouth, and they've just sung happy birthday to a 1-year-old.
Stop being a curmudgeon.
You know what Jerry Seinfeld said in one of his monologues in one of the earlier Seinfeld episodes, where he said, your first birthday and your last are very much the same. You have no idea who's coming, and the people that have coordinated the birthday have to gather them around and say to you, these are your friends. Enough with the happy birthday song, Rochelle. Am I too much of a curmudgeon?
Hi. How's it going?
I know how you're going. We had to pull over because you're ready to vomit.
Yeah,
Nothing to do with the quality of the meals at the Caledonian in Singleton.
it's just my stupid stomach.
Rochelle always says, yeah, let's get an entree. And I'm thinking, you can't handle the truth.
No, I really
You can't handle an entree.
I can't.
You can't.
I didn't even finish my food.
Two spring rolls each, and all the money that I spent on lunch.
Oh, get over yourself.
What did you have, by the way?
I had satay chicken noodles with vegetables.
Thick noodles. Thick, flat noodles.
Not as thick as some.
Well, we both had the same meal, except your protein was chicken and mine was
Pork.
pork belly. Oh my God. We've been there several times before. I've had the pork belly there before. Pork belly's had some pork belly. You can. Wait on. I need a moment. Go over there. Get in the paddock. Oh, hi, and we're back.
Are we? Are
Yeah.
we back?
Yeah. I can't believe how crunchy they get the pork belly.
Well, I'm very happy.
I've got to extend my arm because it looks. You don't want that. What did you say about the pork belly? I love it. You never have it, do you?
No, I don't like pork.
Oh, your daughter doesn't like it either, does she?
No.
A lot of people don't like pork.
I'll eat ham, but I don't like pork.
What's the difference?
Well, I don't know. Just
I don't
taste-
like pork. I'll eat ham.
I never used to eat bacon until I met you.
Listen,
True story.
if you've got any weight issues or any physical issues, do not blame them on
Oh,
me.
so now I'm fat.
I didn't say that. Ladies and gentlemen, I didn't say that.
You have a way with words, Mr. Brooks.
I'm going to turn my back on you.
And it was probably karma today. What happened?
Oh.
Tell the viewers what
They
happened.
already, well, if I have edited this in sequence, they've seen the frickin' bike on the ground, you fool.
And here he is, bad-mouthing me for dropping
When did I
Ruby in
badmouth
the
you?
sand. When I dropped Ruby in the sand, and the same thing happened to him today.
The only difference with me dropping it in the soft sand is when you did it at Grey Game, you're going, oh my God, oh, how did that happen?
And then everyone came to run and help me.
Oh yeah, because of the way you look. No one came racing over to help me.
I raced over.
Well, a couple of guys did. Chewy would have been straight over, eh? Chewy likes a bit of Brooks gristle on a gristle on the bone. Grizzle? What's a grizzle?
Oh, that's you. You're
Clark
a grizzle.
Griswold.
You're a grizzle.
Anyway, yeah, I'm a bit bloated now.
No, I mean you're a grumpy bum.
Yeah, I know. Curmudgeon. I'm a curmudgeon.
A mudgy, yeah.
Mudgy.
A curmudgy.
We're on the way home. We're in Pagolban at the moment. It's only about an hour from home from here.
Yeah. And the reason we haven't really been filming much is I actually bought a horse. I told you viewers I would get a horse.
We don't need to explain to them why. It's because it's a stupid platform and everyone thinks there's superstars on it. That's why.
Anyway, I've been riding
That's why we're not
the horse instead of the motorbike. It's been a challenge getting this one on the bike.
Oh, yeah, it has. It has. Oh, yeah, I've
see why now.
resisted to get on the bike, yeah, so many times, and then I go, all right, this Saturday the weather's going to be good, we'll go out. So it's effectively your fault that the bike went down today.
How is it my fault?
I didn't want to ride it today.
I told you not to ride in the sand. At least put motocross tyres on it.
Nobbies.
Now Lumi's got a scar. Scars are hot, can I just say? At least it looks ridden now.
Anyway, enough of this chatter, this mindless chatter. There's the bikes down there. We've hit the road. Got to get home to watch some football. No Manly game today. That's tomorrow. We're playing for a home final.
You'll lose.
Say goodbye.
Peace
Caught on
out.
a vine.
Love Harley Throttle Juice. Peace out.